I'm like a little kid in a candy store. Today's Monday, so there won't be anybody here. And I'm actually gonna hike over to the Clinch River and see what's going on with the water. So that'll be pretty cool. There's Mako. There he is. There's my Mako. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi and hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Take care. There he is. There's my boy. Hi, Mako. There's my boy. I love going through here. It's like a little obstacle tree trunk. Obstacle course. And there's a little spot up here where you can drive over the water to go to the grist mill. It's a real popular spot in Norris. A lot of people come over here to see the old grist mill that actually was the mill for this area back in the 30s. Pretty cool history up here. I guess back in the day, people used to wash their cars. They go through that water and wash their cars. There's a really cool little trail that parallels the road and goes all the way to the mill, which is neat. And they keep this area groomed. It's just incredible. Yeah, there's like probably 4-mile stretch of all groomed trails. It's just crazy. And then once you get into the watershed, it's not so groomed, but a lot of people use it. So between bikers and runners and trail runners and horseback riders and hikers. So yeah, pretty cool. This stream is always flowing. And this goes down to where the grist mill is. The water's so clear and clean. I've actually drank out of it just without a filter or anything. I know a lot of people would think I was crazy, but a couple times I haven't carried water and I've been thirsty and I thought, I don't care. And I haven't had any ill effects at all. Comes out of the ground. Yep. A little slippery, it's muddy. I'm gonna be careful. I'm still hiking in my sandals. I love sandals. I hate shoes. And there's a little water going down. You see the creek down here. You can see a little bit of the mill up here. I'll show you. It's really neat. And they have like educational stuff on weekends, and the mill's open. And this is real close to Norris Dam, where kind of everything began. But there you can see the mill. Pretty cool. And when on weekends, they open this that slide there and let the water down. But right now it's just naturally. Isn't that incredible? That's neat. Good boy, I'm coming. There we go. Good boy. It's all right. And this goes up to the museum. There's actually the Norris Museum that has all the artifacts from families that lived here back in the 30s when they actually created the dam and dammed this whole river. So it's pretty amazing. Yep, I'll show you the museum. Look at how foggy it still is. And this trail is amazing. I took that with Mako. It goes up and all along 441. But here's a little Norse museum. Pretty cool. Yep, and we're gonna cross the road and hike the Songbird Trail because it's just a nice, easy, this is my easy day. I don't want to do any climbing today. So we are over here